high school that these were the best years of our lives. I got to tell you, I don't really think it was the best years of our lives. First of all, we lived with our parents. Didn't have a car. Had only the money for my bar mitzvah. I had a dozen cross pens. I mean, are those the best years of my life? These are the best years of our lives right now, baby. These are the ones. Yeah, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be with you, Bubba, Jimmy Oster, your darling Karen. It's just an amazing run. We all had a great run, and we're still running. We're going to continue to run.
Hey,
many years to go.
We're going to have a little holiday party also with the money left over that we're going to invite everyone to come back down if they want. We'll have a couple drinks, some hors d'oeuvres, and that's what we're going to do with the extra money, I think.
Excellent, baby.
Okay.
That was great.
We're rocking.
Debbie, the band leader.
Her new best friend.
Yeah. Right.
Look at little Karen. Say hi, Karen.
Great job. For a bunch
Hey.
of old folks, you guys really know how to party.
You know, this is what happens when you go out with younger women, okay?
They make fun of you.
Yeah.
You guys, everyone had a fantastic time. The room looked beautiful. It was great.
She had such a bad time, she's moving out.